Hi friends, welcome on my channel. So today I'm going to write a 12 program and I already uploaded the 11 program uh, day before yesterday. So if you guys didn't watch that video, so as per the message, please watch that video. Okay, so now I'm going to write a new program and the program name is triangle. I will find out the area of triangle to the programming. Okay, so first I will create a new class. Okay, so under the com.app. Okay, under the okay, now I will give a name as triangle. Okay, and I will select a main class as well. Okay, so now click on, so it will take a few seconds. Okay, now the first I would like to tell you one thing. Area of triangle formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, so now I'm going to write a code. So the code, first I will write a scanner equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, so it is showing the error message. So why it is showing the error message? Because I didn't import the scanner class in this class, that's why. So I have to import. So now error has been removed. Okay, now I'm going to write a text message for the user whenever they will provide a input. At that time they can read it. Okay, enter a value of base. Okay, now what I will do, I will take a variable. So this is the variable name. Okay, so whatever user will give input, that will store under the base variable. Okay, so next, now what I will do, I will take another variable. Enter a value of height int. This is the height variable. Okay, so scanner dot next int. Okay, I will take a third variable because I want to store a sum. So whatever sum will come, that will store under this variable. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the logic. So formula is area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. So now what I will do, first I will write the base into height divided by 2. Okay, now I will print system dot out dot print ln area of triangle. Okay, now I will save it and run it. Okay, so run successfully. Okay, so as a user I want to give a first base value 10. Okay, now I want to give a height value 20. So something is missed. No, so add in. Okay, now I'm going to run again. So base value is 10, height value is 20. Now you can see it, area of triangle is 100. Okay, so this is the correct output. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay guys.